Doing a day trip today to Sapodilla Canyon, and it's also in Antalya, but we'll be travelling around with the four-wheel drives and checking out the scenery and having fun along the way.
We're also going to be going to a silk factory and also trying some fruit and some farms.
I'm from the east side of America, where we choose pride over character, and we pick sides, but this is us, this is us. I live on the west side of America, where the spin lies into fairy dust, and we pick sides, but this is us, this is us, this is. And don't believe the narcissism when everyone projects and expects you to listen to them. Make no mistake, I live in a prison that I built myself, it is my religion. And they say that I am a sick boy, easy to say when they don't take the risk. Welcome to the narcissism. We're united under our indifference, and I'm from the east side of America, where the distance to the towers by hysteria, and we have picked sides, but this is us, this is us, this is.
This is our last stop for today. We're having lunch on the riverbed underneath Jimmy Cave.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed our daily trip, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!